Artoonza.
Stop! Before you count sheep tonight, count these glittery numbers instead. We're drawing numbers from 0 to 10, sparkling them up like disco balls, and, yes, vacuuming the mess with a tiny naughty vacuum that thinks it's the star of the show. Then it's glitter paint injections, silly color drops, and brushes that are way too dramatic for their job. So grab your crayons, tell your glitter not to panic, and let's color the rainbow of numbers with sass, sparkle, and a sprinkle of silly. Ready? Because number 3 is already
so
blushing. Number 10 says it's the boss because it's double digits now. Warning, excessive cuteness may cause spontaneous happy dances. Number 6 just sneezed glitter everywhere. This vacuum is not helping. It's dancing. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? 0's not empty. It's hiding in the bushes like a sparkly ninja. This is so amazing. Number 1's dressed like a juicy orange and wants to be eaten. 2 is having a chocolate meltdown. Someone grab a spoon.
Aw, so cute.
3 is so pink, it thinks it's a flamingo doing ballet. Color, color, color. 4's glowing like the sun, but it forgot sunscreen. Give us a big thumbs up. 5's rocking baby blue and wants to nap in glitter diapers. Color, color, color. This is better. 6 dipped itself in grape jelly, and now it can't stop dancing. 7 is so red, it thinks it's a spicy pepper with a superhero cape. 8 turned green again because it ate too many glitter peas. Don't be shy, color high. 9's yellow like a banana with attitude. Smash that like button now. 10's double digits now, and it thinks it's the CEO of crayons. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.